This is the 2012 AirMax RV roof vent fan. It's 12 volt. And before I get started, I wanted to mention 2012 is not the year that it was made. It just happens to be the brand name. So a little bit unusual, but I didn't want you to think it's like an old fan. So right now I've got the vent open. You can control it manually, which I'll show you up close, and you can also control it by the remote. So you've got open and close at the top, and then you've got lid up and lid down. So if you want to open it all the way, you use these buttons. If you push it again, it's not going to stop. So this will open it all the way. And then if you want to close it all the way, you just use close. So say I just want to close it part way and not all the way, I would just press and release. I want to demonstrate what it sounds like, and it wasn't working with my mic on, so you're going to hear a little outside noise, but this way you can hear how loud the fan is. So here's the first level. You're probably hearing a little traffic noise, but right now the fan is, you can't even hear it. It's completely silent. Now I'm going to go up to the next level, 2, and you can also see the corresponding lights coming on there. There's 2, here's 3, and there's 4. Now I've got the mic right next to this, so it's a little loud. Let me walk away from it and you can see how it sounds. I'm now about 10 feet away, and you can see it's fairly quiet even on high. So the great thing about this fan is that you can use it either to suck out the warm air or to bring in cool air. You also have a rain sensor, so that means when it starts to rain, it'll automatically close, but you can also bypass that so you can vent it a little bit when you have rain. Like, you know, it's not raining really hard, you still want to have some airflow without getting the water inside your RV. The screen is easily removable to clean, so you just twist it and then you pull, snaps right out, and you just push on the little tabs. There's 4 spots. You get it in place, you just turn it, and then it's locked back in place. Another really nice feature is that you have a timer. So you can set the timer anywhere from 1 to 4 hours, and then it will shut off automatically. We got the black semi-translucent cover, and this cover is double layer. The fan was fairly easy to install. My husband installed it in about an hour, and he was able to use the power. We have power right next to it in a light, so he was able to take this off and just use that power. It does come with instructions both for installation and for operation, and if you need any more help, you can probably find that easily online.